Nisambula Vinaka, Ni hao, hello, greetings from Kunming Rubber Ruka Show.
Rubber Ruka.
I'm your host, Abylicious, Delicious, and here with me I have some precious people who'd like to talk about coronavirus. So firstly, I'd like to ask each one of them to introduce themselves, where they're from, and what are they doing in China. Why China?
Hello, I'm Amaya and I'm from Spain. I came to China to study Chinese.
Bulganaka, my name is Tima. I'm from Fiji, and I also came to China to study Chinese. And we both attended the same university, which is Kunming University of Science and Technology.
Wow, it's so cool to see people from all nations sitting here at the Rubber Ruka Show and getting some things, interviews and all that. So, my question is, when you about this coronavirus, what do you think about the coronavirus when you first heard it, and now that it's been how many days you've been in the house and all that? How do you feel, and what do you think about coronavirus?
At first, I didn't think anything because it felt far, so it felt like another world.
Yeah.
And now that more and more people get infected, it's worried.
Yeah, like when we heard about coronavirus, it was not we took it lightly. We were not serious about it, but then a few days later, there's a lot of people who got infected, especially those in Wuhan. Here in Kunming right now we got like 80 cases. I mean, in Yunnan province we got 80 cases, so that's a lot of number. And we are really worried. We've been staying at home most of the days in our room doing nothing. We're bored. So yeah, it's deadly.
Yes. So for me personally, it's kind of similar to Amaya here. When I first heard about coronavirus, like, it's too far away, it's in Wuhan, it's not gonna reach Yunnan province. But now that we see and we've seen updates and all that is coming through daily, it's like, oh my goodness, this is a serious thing. At first we were taking it lightly, and so how do you feel just staying at home? What have you been doing at home? Tell the world. What have you been doing all this time when you go out and all these things? What do you think?
Nothing. You can do nothing, just stay home.
Yeah.
You wake up late, it's just sleeping all day, studying, or watching movies. There's not more. You only go out to buy food.
Yeah. And we're very careful with what we eat. So most of the past few days we've been eating like fruits. More fruits than
vegetables.
And vegetables. Yes, because we're just trying to be extra careful with what we eat and what we do. So
yeah, it's definitely boring, especially for me. I love going out. It's killing me right now just staying at home. But in one hand, it is actually good because I get to be motivated to do homework, finish my homework, do my reading and all that. Even though there's a lot still need to be read and all this, but at least we are doing something every day with homeworks and all that. So, with coronavirus once again, what is your next step? What do you think? Or what are you gonna go home or leave these things? What are you gonna do?
I'm leaving tomorrow.
You're leaving tomorrow.
are you sure?
Yeah.
So can you tell us
Why are you asking that?
your flight? Can you tell us your flight schedule? How from here, your itinerary ticket? How are you gonna fly?
Tomorrow the flight is
From here to
departure around 9 o'clock in the evening. It's from Kunming to Guangzhou, and from Guangzhou to Paris, and from Paris to Bilbao.
What?
And then to my home.
That's a long way.
Wow.
Yeah.
Maybe she will be quarantined in France first because she's coming out from China, right? What do you think? And for you, Tima, if you had the opportunity to go home, would you go home? Or what do you think?
For me, I was not scared like before, but right now I'm scared due to the number of people getting infected. So yeah, I might be going home if I have the chance, like, or if I have the opportunity. But right now I'm staying because I think I'm safe here. And yeah, this Chinese family has been taking good care of us three. So yeah.
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching the Rubber Ruku show. There'll be more coming up in a few days time and all that. And we hope you liked our mini little interview and all this. If you have any questions, just feel free to drop us a box and message your question. Yes, and please don't forget to pray for people that are in Wuhan, the most affected area, and pray for us that are here back in China, the foreigners and all our Chinese brothers and sisters. Thank you once again.
Inaka makalebo.
Naka.